Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer electronics. Today, we're diving into the world of audio and video connectivity with the ZZJMCH 3 RCA cable. If you're in need of a reliable solution for connecting your TV, DVD player, or gaming console, look no further because this is the best audio-video cable on the market. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this cable stand out from the rest? Well, let me tell you. Not only does it offer exceptional audio and video quality, but it's also incredibly versatile and easy to use. Whether you're setting up your home theater system or connecting your gaming console to your TV, this cable has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at what makes this cable so special. First off, it's 5 feet long, providing you with plenty of length to reach your devices without any hassle. Plus, with its 3 RCA male to 3 RCA male connectors, you can easily connect a wide range of audio-video devices, including TVs, DVD players, speakers, and more. But don't just take my word for it. Take a look at what some of our satisfied customers have to say. Fabi says, "Goodbye." Cyber5 mentions, "Bought it for my girl's kid." And Intrinsic adds, "Great way to connect a laptop to an old TV interface." With overwhelmingly positive reviews like these, you know you're getting a quality product. Now, you might be thinking, what about compatibility? Well, let me assure you, this cable is compatible with a wide range of devices, including TVs, DVD players, gaming consoles, and more. So no matter what setup you have at home, this cable will seamlessly integrate into your audio-video system. And here's the best part. All of this comes at an incredibly affordable price. At just $4.99, you're getting top-notch quality without breaking the bank. Plus, with Amazon's fast and reliable shipping, you can have this cable delivered right to your doorstep in no time. So there you have it, folks. The ZZJMCH 3 RCA cable, the best audio-video cable on the market. Don't settle for anything less when it comes to connecting your favorite devices. Pick up your cable today and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy connecting.